How to buy Bitcoin. Whether you're a newbie or seasoned trader, this guide will make it crystal clear. There are 4 main ways to buy Bitcoin. Through wallet apps like the Bitcoin.com wallet app. Directly from the Bitcoin.com website. Using brokerages like eToro. And through centralized exchanges like Kraken. Let's break these down. First up, the Bitcoin.com wallet app. It's self-custodial, meaning you control your Bitcoin. Download the app, select Bitcoin, tap buy, and follow the instructions. It's that simple. Before buying, consider 3 key points. Payment method, platform used, and where your Bitcoin goes. Payment methods vary from credit cards to bank transfers, and from PayPal to cash. Each has pros and cons in terms of convenience, privacy, and fees. You can buy Bitcoin from digital wallet providers, centralized exchanges, OTC desks, peer-to-peer marketplaces, and payment apps like PayPal. You can even buy Bitcoin face-to-face. And where does your Bitcoin go? Either into a self-custodial wallet, like Bitcoin.com wallet, or a custodial wallet on an exchange. Remember, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. Self-custody wallets give you full control. You don't need permission to use your Bitcoin. With custodial wallets, you're at the mercy of the provider's rules and restrictions. And yes, they can freeze your account. When buying with fiat currency, exchanges need to comply with KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering regulations. This means verifying your identity with documents. Fees depend on the payment method and platform. Credit card and bank transfers come with their own fees plus exchange fees. Larger purchases generally have lower fees. Avoid many small buys to save on costs. Buying from the Bitcoin.com website is straightforward. Visit the site, select Bitcoin, choose your payment method, and enter your wallet address. Easy. Buying from exchanges like Kraken involves creating an account, verifying your identity, and following the buying instructions. Remember, you might need to withdraw your Bitcoin to a self-custodial wallet for full control. Brokerages like eToro offer a secure and user-friendly way to buy Bitcoin. Peer-to-peer platforms like Peach Bitcoin provide privacy, but can be less convenient and more costly. So there you have it. Mastering Bitcoin purchases is all about choosing the right method and understanding the key points. For an easy start, check out the Bitcoin.com wallet app. Ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin? Let's go! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more crypto insights. Catch you in the next video.